name is Sheikh Salim Ali, and today I am going to present the topic educational adaptation for hearing impairment. We are of the subject education for children with special needs. So, if I give my brief introduction, I have completed my class 10 on 2018 and class 12 on 2020, and I have graduated from geography from Aligarh Muslim University on 2023, and I am now pursuing B.Ed in Aligarh Muslim English Center, Murshidabad. So, all know that before me, two of my fellow mates, Noor and Faz, have given their presentation on the same, not the same topic, but hearing impairment was the same thing. So I will just give a brief introduction on hearing impairment. So what is hearing impairment? What is hearing? Hearing impairment refers to reduced ability to hear sound and speech clearly. So if anybody is from distance of us and what I am talking or what other is talking, they cannot listen it, then there is some sort of problem in their ear, and that is only referred as hearing impairment. So hearing impairment ranges from different person to different person. Like who can hear from 0 decibel to 25 decibel, they are a normal person. As it was discussed in the earlier class, that from 0 to 25 dB, if anybody can hear, it is normal. And if anybody cannot hear the sound above 90 decibel also, then that one is pure deaf. We can refer it as pure deaf. And if he or she or the individual is deaf, then the individual cannot hear any sound. With any hearing aid also, it is not possible for them to hear any kind of sound. And in the middle, there are different phases, but as it is discussed, I will not discuss it now. And there are different type of categorization of the deaf, like conductive, that is related to middle ear. If the deafness is related to the middle ear, then we can say it as a conductive. We can say it as a conductive category of the deafness. And after that, there is sensory neural, which is related to the inner or auditory nerve. Auditory nerve is that nerve which it is from the middle ear, it is connected to the brain, which transform which take the sound from outer ear to the middle ear and to the brain, and we understand that one. So, if there is any sort of problem in the inner ear or auditory nerve, that is referred to as sensory neural deafness. And after that, mixed is there. And generally, those who are having the mixed type of problem, they are completely deaf, because from outer ear also they cannot hear anything, and from the middle ear also the sensory neuron is defected, so they are pure deaf. And after that, there are different kind of assisted devices, as we can see, like assisted device, which is one of the important now, which is we are using, that is cochlear implant. Cochlear it is coming from the thing that is cochlea inside our ear, in the inner ear. A device is implanted in that portion, so it is known as cochlear implantation. Like we can see in this video, that in this portion, in the cochlea, a transmitter, receiver and stimulus is fixed by the doctor, and the sound wave is transformed into mechanical wave inside our ear, and it helps the people to hear the sound which they cannot hear. But this does not help the deaf person, because for them everything is black. But who are having hard type of deafness, who can hear the sound which are of high decibel, it will help for them to hear the sound of low decibel. And this transmitter, this cochlear which is implanted, it is surgically done. So if we see in the Indian context, it is very much difficult for the poor background to carry on this surgery. So for them it is impossible, and that is the reason why the amount of deafness is increasing day by day in India. And now there is a video I will just show how the hearing See what it is saying. What it is saying that